We are doing CPMAI exam prep, and I came across this website, and I did some 10 questions, and I found this is a good data set to prepare yourself. So I thought I'll just record this for everyone's benefit, and if you find this helpful, then you can visit their site and try it. It's not my site. I just came across it, that's a disclaimer, but I found it to be helpful so far. So let's go ahead and solve the next 10 questions probably. Remember, as always, whenever I'm doing the questions, it's silence, so you also can read together, because that's how the exam goes. It's proctored, so you can't speak. Uh, so let's start. Okay, I'm going to go with answer C, split by random sampling. Let's see. Okay, great. So this is correct answer. Now let's go for the next question. Okay, this one is tricky, as it's multi-select. So the trickiness is they have given some parts that could be done by data analyst, some non-relevant, and some that are specific for data scientists. So now figuring out specific for data scientists is the tricky part. So let's go with this. So prompt engineering skills I'm not going to consider. Understanding of tools and technologies for manipulating correcting. This again is more of a data analyst. Critical thinking skills, yes. Understanding of algorithms, yes. Automation skills, especially. Okay. Strong maths, especially in calculus and statistics. Yeah, I'm going to go with C, D, E, F. Let's see. Okay, I'm wrong. So the answer is A, B, C, D, F. Okay, so they are saying automation skills, especially around creating RPA bots, right? This. Okay, so this one is wrong from my end. Now let's move to the next questions set. Okay, don't tell me that I have hit a roadblock here. It's, yeah, I think I have hit a roadblock here. Let's do, ideally on this particular page I get I'm not a robot option, and then I move forward, but this time I'm not getting that. So looks like they want me to pay money, and I don't like paying money, so we're not gonna move forward with this one. Hey, thanks. I think that's the best we can do. Probably I'll go with ahead with the previous set of questions. That may help, the ones that I did. Yeah, so this is how It used to pop up earlier. HUAQG. Okay, so maybe we'll just go through the ones that were there earlier, so it gives you fair idea. See, this is question number 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start through question number 1. Sorry about that. Yeah. So I'll see, I've done this, so I'm not going to invest time. I'm going to quickly read this. Your team is working on an NLP model and just operationalize the first model. Your team makes updates to the model, overrides the original model, and puts this new model into operation. However, one of the teams using the model has seen a decrease in performance and is asking to use the original model. What critical error did you team make? So this, they did not practice model versioning and keep all versions of the models. That's the answer. You can pause and go through the other options if interested. Enhancing and cleaning data is an important action during which phase of CPMAI? So it's the phase 3, as you are aware, which is data preparation phase. So answer will be D. Let's look at it. Yep, that's D. Your team is ready to operationalize the model they have been working on. It's a model that is meant to be used on an edge device, specifically a mobile phone, and the user may sometimes be in remote location without regular access to the internet. What's the most important thing to consider? This clearly says remote location, so basically that edge device has to be on the local mobile. Let's see what is the answer. Okay, make sure the model lives on the edge device so it can be used regardless of internet connection. D. Alright. Okay, now next one is for AI projects, the code and systems don't matter as much as the data. That's true. In fact, big data is what's powering much of this latest way of AI. What's most important for your company to consider around data? A. B. Correct. Understanding the algorithms. You have team members that have experience, understanding of tools, and the ability to deal with massive volumes of data. With the given options, if you see, this looks the one, so I'll go with D. D it is. Right. So I've done this some time back, okay, and that's why I'm running through. But please feel free to use the pause option and go through all the options. Mm, but I did it myself earlier also, and the same answers, but I took a lot of time. Now I'm not taking that much time. Using machine learning and other cognitive approaches to understand how to take past existing behavior and predict future outcomes or help humans make decisions about future outcomes using insight learned from past behaviors. Interaction data is a core part of which matter? Yeah, it's predictive analytics and decision support. D. Is that's correct? As an organization building an AI solution of your current way customers based in NYC, but with possible plans for future expansion, how should you handle the worldwide AI law and regulation? Okay, I think I recollect it's US and where you would like to expand in the coming year. So it's A. So rest of the answers do not have expansion option. So yeah, okay, got it. Seventh one, your team is starting a new facial recognition project and you want to ensure that the project is being done with trustworthy AI in mind. At what phase of CPMI would trustworthy AI be considered? And as we all know by now, that it's all phases. So G. Your recent completed an image recognition at your company that was focused on identifying different type of cars. You have now been assigned a new image recognition pattern that is focused on identifying different types of animals. You know you can shortcut model by using a specific technique, and that is called transfer learning. See? Okay, so here we go. Right, so I did the other one at the start, the next one, and then it's blocking us, it's not letting us move forward. uh, hmm. Or maybe it is. Let's give it a try here. You're working with an experienced team, you're trying to work on in a supervisor. Yeah, I have done this. Okay, it's knife. Answer is A. Your team is working on AI system to provide a more personalized experience for customers on your website. What should the team do in regard to determine the pattern of AI with regards to the ROI of the project? First, identify the object. So it's C. As I've told, I've done this in the past, but you can pause. Clean, well-labeled data for machine app. Okay, I think we this is where we started. Use split by use random C. And we did this, and I got this wrong. Let me see if I can get it right now. You need to hire a data skills. You should learn all that apply. Okay, A, B, C, D, and F. Okay, lessons learned. Let's see if it lets me move forward. If not, then we're going to, yeah, that's it. So thanks everyone, take care. It's not letting me move forward. Bye bye.